Hi, chat. Welcome to another stream. How y'all doing today? It's Wednesday. Um, and Marsha's here. Hello, hello. Headphones are only in the left ear. They're only in the left ear. Uh, uh, hmm. Now they're not in any ear. Oh, well. I'll just have to deal with it. Anyway, let me say hi to everyone who's here. It is Wednesday, the 25th of 2021. And usually, it's my bottle opener. Usually on Wednesday, I hang out with my friend from high school, but he is busy today, so we're gonna stream. Um, and the plan for today is I kind of want to get some art up on the wall here, and I kind of want it to be my art. I know you shouldn't use your own art, but like it won't look like my art, so that's what we're gonna try and work on today is generating some art that I'm happy with enough to put on the wall. And I kind of have like the basis, like I'm pretty happy with what I already have, but I kind of want to get some special coloring. But anyway, today I'm drinking the Hef. Oh, I did that too quickly. There we go. The Hefeweizen from Frankenmuth, which is a local brewery here. And here's the bumped the microphone. Here's the frosty pour with essentially no head, but that's fine. So cheers to you, chat. Let me say hi to everyone who is here. We got a lot of people in chat already today. Who was first? Yerum was first. Hello, hello. JJMC is also here. Oh, also, for those of you that missed the message, there is now AWC up and AWC down, which are two of the frames of Bongo that are available as follower emotes. So you don't have to be subscribed, just have to be following the channel, and you get those two emotes. So you can get those entirely for free. Koenig is here with a Love Peak L. Good to see you again. Hello, hello. Ollie, good to see you as well. It's Teets. Welcome to the stream. He says, what is the best programming language to learn first? And so, my advice here varies a bit. It depends on what you want to do with your first programming language. Like if your goal is to like make websites and stuff, then you know, probably some JavaScripty language. If your goal is to build a web backend, maybe Python or Ruby or PHP or Go or Java or something like that is more appropriate. If you're looking to make a mobile app, you probably either want Swift if you're targeting iOS, or Kotlin if you're targeting Android, or some framework that targets multiple platforms like Dart or something like that. But I wouldn't worry so much about the language. Figure out what project you want to build first, and then decide your language based on what fits nicely for that language. And the cool thing about programming languages is once you learn one of them, it's really easy to pick up more of them. So I wouldn't worry too much about being locked in on a particular language. But that is my advice. And I elaborated on this advice a little bit in. Let's see if this is going to get the right link. Getting started with programming. Yeah, check out this first video here. That goes into detail about my advice for that as well. But good question. It states the SNW says Golang, in my opinion. Well, everyone is entitled to their opinion. Uh, and again, like, I don't think there's a best programming language. They all suck for different reasons. Yeah, anyway. Mahamdi, hello, hello. Good to see you again. What's up, down? Right. Oh, the other thing about the new emotes is because I added them like right before stream started, so Twitch's chat client is a little bit glitchy, so sometimes if you use them, they won't show up for you, but they'll show up for everyone else. Like I currently can't use them, but I saw on the chat thing over here that they are showing up. So Dumpledown, hello, hello, welcome, welcome. And Flotstrew, good to see you again. How's it going? Yerm says, pressed F5 right as the stream started. Well, you were still first. You were still first. NRS says it's 26 here. I assume 26 C. So it's a little toasty, but not too bad. Pretty mild. Silence, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. I assume it's pronounced that way. I'm just guessing. But welcome to the stream. Hopefully you are doing well. Eagle, hello, hello, welcome back. New emote type. Yeah, I think it's only available for partners right now. They're trying it out. So who knows how long it'll last, but it's at least a thing for now. NRS, hello, hello, welcome. Oh, I said hi to you already. Well, you get 2 highs today. No sequel, no how is here today. How are you doing? Welcome back. Patiently waiting for Anthong to write code. We're hopefully gonna write some code today. I will show you what's up with the project in its current state and kind of what I want it to do. Ish. We'll see how it goes. Java's dog shit is a starting language. Yeah, yeah. I mean, it's a decent like middle ground, I guess. Is not Ruby very slow compared to Django? I mean, all the dynamic languages are going to be about the same slowness. Ruby does happen to be slightly slower than, Python, PHP, JavaScript. But it's not going to make a difference for the scale of projects that you're going to do as your first project. The new stuff is too confusing. Wait, HashMap's not new, Crow. Do you mean the new generics? Hey, Sarcastic Dante. Hello, hello. Good to see you again. Silence says that's right. Perfect. I did it. Okay. So, I guess before we get started, we'll do what we always do at the start of streams, which is open source updates. I learned that my friend actually works at this company, so I've been like bugging him on Twitter. Hey, can you review my pull request, please? But still haven't received a review there. I did make one very teeny tiny small change to. Oh, what? They've changed the styling. This is new. Or this is a mistake? Is it supposed to be this blue color? I kind of like this color. What do you think, chat? Get them change their styles a little bit. It's different. But anyway, I was playing with config v actually at work today, because there was an incident that happened last night that I slept through the page, which is yikers, I guess. But everyone else was it was like 7 p.m. for them, but it was like 11 p.m. for me. I was passed the fuck out. The weird thing is, last night I went to bed at like 9. I was tired, so I went to bed. And then I woke up at like 2. I could not fall asleep. So I got some sleep last night, but like, ugh. Wait, it's the new GitHub gray theme? What? Settings? Appearance, I assume? No, I'm just in default light. I know about the dark modes and stuff, but I don't like them. I feel like they're too dark. Even the dark dimmed is too dark. But anyways, I was using this library at work, and I noticed that the stack traces were a little bit unwieldy. Let's see if I can show you an example. Oh, that's a typo. Hey, what's up, Ponygeist? Hello, hello. What changed? This used to be like a gray color, and now it's a blue color. The pills are also a slightly different color. I believe matching this color. I don't know. Some design systems friend-endy person is getting their rocks off at GitHub, it looks like. Okay, so pip install, pre-commit. I basically want to show you the stack trace before and after and see what's different. So we're gonna break this in a subtle way. Let's change this to a number. Import pre-commit dot client lib pre-commit Load config pre needs to be double quotes. Should give me an error. Yeah, cool. Julie Tamori, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Okay, so this is the stack trace that we got before. Actually expand this out so you can see. This is the important part, the error message here. But if you look at the stack trace, oh no, this is the updated version. So the new updated version is just like one linear, kind of deep but linear stack trace. And this is because the validation recurses. If we install the old version of config v less than 3.3.1, could have done equals 330. If we do the old version, you'll see that we get that big stack trace that we had before, and then we get a during handling, another one, and then another during handling, and then another during handling, and another during handling, and another one, and another one, and another one, and one more. And you thought this stack trace was long. Imagine running this in PyTest's stack trace output, where each stack frame has like 4 or 5 or 6 lines, and it was just like fill up the entire scrollback buffer with just PyTest output. And so the fix for this was fairly straightforward. You can hide traceback contexts by doing raise from none. And so this patch here that I added from none and from none, which is a little bit weird that, oh, they changed the syntax highlight. I don't like that. This is like a weird purple now. I don't know how I feel about that. But yeah, it's a little bit weird that this is with traceback from none, so it preserves this traceback but then removes the context to make sure that these stack traces are not so crazy. But yeah, that's our open source update. Catch up on chat. If you use Linux and start with C or C++, you won't have to download anything easy. I mean, you need a C compiler. Crow says, what is VM? VM is a virtual environment. It is a place to install Python packages that is not your system. I believe. Yes, so this video describes them in detail. Hey, what's up, Twan HH? Hello, hello. And Color Marku, good to see you. Cunning Guy says a coworker was showing pre-commit to his friend who works at some government lab today, and they said they're going to try to start using it. Nice. I actually know that there are parts of the US government and the UK government that are both using pre-commit, so that's kind of cool. Dislov says, is this Ubuntu? It is. The answer is yes, but also no. Oh, that was wrong. I wanted OS, not SO. I like how this did nothing. Perfect. Yeah, but I'm running Windows and I have Ubuntu in a virtual machine, and you can learn more about the setup and why it is set up that way in this video. But thanks for the question. No, it's Windows. I think I'm not trolling. It's true. It's true. Oh, Nirm did Bang OS for me. Perfect. Hey, what's up, Pop the Lens? Hello, hello. Hi, how are you? I'm doing well. I'm new to the stream. Well, welcome. It's good to have you. You want an overview of how my stream usually goes? I usually work on open source stuff and projects that I'm interested in, and we're going to be trying to do some generated art today. We will see what happens with that. Deed Elspeth here, and Jay Carey. Hello, hello to both of you. Deed Elspeth asks, do you ever feel the sudden urge to nap in the middle of the workday? That one hit me hard today. Well, I didn't get any sleep last night, so my whole workday was like, I don't want to fall asleep now. But I did not, fortunately. Really wanted to, but I did not. Keller Marcus says, big release is happening at work tomorrow. I need a drink too. Yeah. Marcia says, I thought it took government people years to adopt new things. I mean, they were some of the earlier adopters of pre-commit, so I guess they were okay with it. you know, early on-ish. Nirm says, Anthbunk, I already did that. Wait, which? Oh, yeah. No, I see you. You got me. I was just too far back in the chat, so. Islav says, wondering if you do any machine learning / AI stuff. I would not classify any of the work that I do as machine learning or AI, though I do manage infrastructure for developers that do both of those things. So I do tangentially related work for that, but I do not. Yeah, I don't do any machine learning or AI. But J. Carey says, when are you going to show us the power of Copilot? So I did show it on one stream. We played around with it a little bit. It was not very good. I mean, it was able to answer like some of the questions, but not all of them. But it was all right. Detail says, I got plenty of sleep last night. Maybe that was the problem. Brickman is NSA approved? I don't know that it's NSA approved or not. Hyperbola blah 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 says, are you that dude with the custom editor? Yes, that is me with the custom text editor called Babby with nice syntax highlighting and, you know, things that work. Oops. I say right as I fuck up the keyboard shortcuts. Look, it can do sorting. Just like Vim and undoing. Anyway, yeah, it's a thing. Zyzep says, can anyone help with some JSON.dumps issues with new lines and print? What you probably, if I'm just guessing here, you probably have JSON.dumps, I don't know, that's not syntax. A2, B3, indent equals 2. You probably have this. And oh, in that case, it worked. Wait, what? I was expecting it to have an extra new line at the end. Wait, what is your issue then? Ender says, what tent level is most comfortable for your kinesis? I have it as far up as it'll go at the moment, which is a 15-degree tent. It's actually slightly more comfortable if I spread it a bit more. But if I spread it, then chat can't see it, so I keep it unspread for chat. Looking for indent equals X? Perhaps. Maybe. Genitalia, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Babby is a dataset from Facebook. Yeah, it's also a Greek god or something that I can't show on stream because it is known for having a strongly erect penis. Genitalia says, got him. Wait, what? What did I... Oh, I get it. I get it now. You're trying to get me to say genitalia. I got you. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. Where's Babel? I get confused. Oh. No, there is like a Facebook project that's that as well. Too easy? Yeah. Anthonk the dick god. Yeah, exactly. Yes, there are new emotes for those of you that are followers. So, genitalia, you now have A2EC up and A2EC down. Zyzep says, so many issues. I run a command on a server with subprocess check output, and that command returns in JSON. I print it with dumps. JSON dumps stir add description. So first off, you should never need to call stir like that. You should use encode or decode. This is add description.decode UTF-8. So this is bytes, I assume. I get backend in my console when running the Python script. I don't want to see backend. I want it to print out properly. So you probably have a bytes and string confusion. Does it also have a B at the beginning of the string? Would be my guess. Mahamdi says, what's the story behind it? Why you named it Babby? So I do have all of that in the video where I talk about Babby here. But the TLDR is on a QWERTY keyboard that's not split. If you move your left hand over one and then type nano, instead of it being nano, it's Babby. I like the name so much that it's stuck. Yes, you can have follower emotes. It's in beta for partners, so that's why I have it enabled. Twitch trying to destroy FFZ and BTTV. I mean, there is some part of BTTV that will always live on because BTTV and FFC emotes don't have to abide by Twitch's terms of service. And a lot of them don't. um, but I do think it's kind of nice that Twitch is adding animated emotes. I'm hoping Discord adds them, or at least Discord imports them from Twitch. That way, I could actually use my own emotes. They've removed racist and lewdy ones. Yeah, but they're much more lenient than the Twitch terms of service. Also, they're not just gonna like straight up fucking ban your stream. So the stakes are a little bit lower. But yeah. Okay, so I wanted to show you what I am going to work on for stream today. And kind of show you what I want to make happen. So I made this project with my ex-girlfriend at the time in 2015, 2014, somewhere around then. But this is generated art from files, essentially. It's actually kind of neat because you can visualize. So this dominant is a C binary, so you can kind of visualize like this is the code region, this is the strings region, and the reason you can tell it's the strings region is it's kind of these dulled colors, which is what you get when you feed ASCII text into this, because ASCII text happens to be within a certain byte range. And this is some other data region, so you can see there's a lot of null bytes here. But you can kind of like visualize how an executable works out. But basically what I want to do is a couple of things today. The first is I want to make a sort of dark mode for this. Which should just be as easy as, setting 000, which I think actually looks way better than the original white background, even for something as simple as this. Let's see what happens if we do it here as well. Yeah, like I think this looks a lot better. So we're gonna add like a couple options to add like, dark modes to this, and I kind of want to be able to make it a specific mono color. The what I really want to be able to do is stick a piece of art on my wall that is the same like color themes as a shiny Umbreon. That is like my goal here, is to make something like that happen. So we're gonna have to do some, I don't know, some fun stuff with that as well, to figure out how to make that work. But yeah, there's some pretty bad ones at BTTV. Yeah, for sure. Do you have RTX voice on? It makes your cough sound weird. So I was playing. Oh, what did I do with this? I'm not using RTX voice, but I was playing with the, yeah, I was playing with noise suppression in. Maybe we'll turn it back to this one. I was playing with noise suppression on the microphone settings in OBS. So it's possible that RNN noise treats it differently than the old one does. Link your X's GitHub. I think you can find it from the commits, but I'd rather not. Though if you ever venture into Forson's chat, you will see some racist Twitch emotes. Your ex will sue you. I don't know how or why she would do that. Because the code's all open source and licensed properly, and I wrote all the thinking bits, so she did this page and I did the rest of it, basically. But this page is pretty cool and like took some work to make happen. But Shiny Embryon, I wasn't aware you liked those. Yeah, Well, it's kind of like a theme of the channel, and I also feel like, I don't know, it would go nicely like right there, you know? It ain't even licensed? Wait, I thought there was a license. Is there not a license? Oh, well, sure as shit. Well, then I retain all the rights to it. Even easier. Oh, you're running salt. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. Alright, I can't read your code in there. Command equals this. Then you shell equals true, which is kind of yikes. And then output from that. Gives me output like this. Yeah, why is it in double quotes? Oh, because it's already JSON encoded. Yeah, so you don't need to re-JSON encode it. It's already JSON. This is the string that comes from this timed out response. So you can remove your JSON dumps here. So you just want disk extended. You want disk extended dot decode. This is all you want as that second string, and then that should work. Sorry for spam. No, it's fine. I was trying to read it in Twitch chat, and a little bit more of a blob here. It's a little bit easier to read in terminal. Cluster says, "What file would you use though?" So, I was actually thinking to be a little bit cheeky about this, Plot's true, and use one of the emotes as an input. Because I think they have fairly high enough entropy that they would generate. I mean, we could try it and see what it looks like right now. Actually, let's do that. We'll add a license at the same time. Actually, maybe we won't. Since it's art, like I kind of want to retain the rights to it, but I don't know. It's a complicated. So we should be able to get. Why are none of these my emotes? All right, hang on a second. I'm gonna need you to spam some. Need you to spam some emotes in a second. All right. There we go. Oh yeah, bang bang. Whoever ran the command. Oh, you didn't even run the command. You just printed them all out. Perfect. Oh, because the command wouldn't even work because it's output, right? Dang it! Tislav says, "Do developers / coders have girlfriends? Is this real? I mean, we're human beings. Not impossible." What's salt? This is literally for salting passwords. No, salt is SaltStack, which is a configuration management system. So Zyzep needs a JSON.loads? Probably not. I think Zyzep would be fine just passing the data through directly. Cheese Lover says that's a big beer. I mean, it's just a big mug. It's a normal size beer. Just a standard beer bottle. Add an unlicense. Yeah, just like that size up. This code that you put here. Yep, that should be good. That should be good. Emote spam, perfect emote spam. Bang emotes is also missing ADC up and ADC down. That's true. Bot plugins, simple emotes. I should probably also reorganize these as well because I reordered them on Twitch. Hey, J Phils! Thank you for the resub at 13 months. Thank you for your continued support. It is good to see you again. How are you doing? J Phils is also a programmer and a streamer. So check out J Phils as well. Let me. What are some of these emotes? Oh, we've got Exondi's whiskey in here though. That's always good. What was I doing? Oh, I was going to this so that I can see the ordering of them, so that I can replicate the same ordering. Yeah. Okay, so we've got A to C up. Should actually put A to C bongo first. Yeah. Then A to C carpet and A to C bonk. Get those out of the way. Then Python. Hello, hello. Predicament, Babby. It's capital C? That's so weird. I guess it's because it was forced. Babby, and then Keeb L. Keeb R. And then actually Windows. And then what is the last one? Dumpster fire. Here and restart it. Hello? Damn it. There we go. Now we get all the carpets up in the front. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. And I have a couple more emotes in the pipeline that'll be coming soon. And follow our emotes. So yeah, we have, I think, 4 planned emotes, although 3 of them are basically the same, so it's mostly like 2 emotes that are coming soon. And one of them I might animate. I'm not sure. We'll see. We'll see. But you'll have to live in suspense of that. Get get pussed. It's not a thing. Does ADC actually Windows like super conflict? Wait, what? What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean, you Delsp? CICD emotes confirmed. Yeah, only, right? B Dougie, welcome back. Thank you for the raid. Hello, raiders. How you doing? I give you a shout out so that my viewers can check you out. B Dougie, you still work at YouTube at GitHub, right? But welcome to the stream. What were you working on today? Bang yo, yeah, there you go. There you go. Good to see you again. How are you doing? For those of you joining the stream now, my name is Anthony. I primarily work on open source software, usually in Python. I maintain some stuff that you might have heard of, such as, let's see, PyTest, Flake8, Precommit, PyFlakes, Talks, Dead Snakes, other Python stuff. Today we are working on a bit of a interesting, strange project, which is this art project that I made with my ex-girlfriend a very long time ago called Color Code. And the idea behind Color Code is it takes an input binary and then outputs generated art based on it. So here's some examples of the generated art. And there was actually, and I learned this after the fact, there was actually a fairly famous artist in like the 70s or 80s that basically made art that looked exactly like this. I have a photo somewhere when I was going through the Museum of Modern Art in San Francisco, where plastered up on the wall was basically what looked like my art. So I, how did I actually take that photo? It must have used someone else's phone. But I basically like brought up my art on my cell phone, and then like somebody took a picture of me with my cell phone in front of the actual artist's art. But what I'm trying to do today, or what I want to do today, is I want to get some of this art so I can stick it up on my wall. And so we're going to be adding a couple of features. One of them is like a dark mode to this, because I actually think the black background looks a little bit better than the white background. So I might just take some creative freedom and make it always dark mode, because it's my code anyway. I can just do whatever I want. Whoa. You're back! I satisfied! It has been so long! Welcome back, friendo! How are you doing? How's it been? How are you, what happened, man? We missed you! But welcome back, I satisfied. It's good to see you again. Thank you for your tier 1 for 13 months. I would say you get a fancy new badge, but you have gotten a fancy new badge since you were here last time, so that's cool. Big Doggio says, gotta head to a work meeting, but this project looks really cool. Well, thank you for stopping by, and thank you for the raid. And I will see you around in the future. Have a good one. We also missed KC, who followed. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. But yeah, I satisfied. How are you doing? Yo, I'm in Michigan now. So we're near. Not doxed, right? He's the Python senpai, yeah. Big Doggio says, working on populating a super base. A what? What does that mean? LJMF, hello, welcome back. Good to see you. I'm doing good. How are you doing? I'm doing well. Work is work. Streaming is streaming. Why did this? Oh, probably because pre-commit CI, to be honest. So we could even do git log origin head and see that, yep, pre-commit CI. Okay. We can switch real quick. Don't say anything. Okay, good. I satisfied says, I've been working so much, also got a girlfriend and wanted to spend the summer with her before she left for school. Nice. Well, congratulations on that. Work can be real busy, and I completely understand prioritizing real life over some stupid programming streamer. But it's good to see you. We missed you. Have to buy a beer one day since I'm in Michigan. Yeah, I'm in Ann Arbor, so I don't know, anytime you wanna roll through and buy me a beer, I'd be down. But let's see. I did not want to do that. Oh well, it's fine. Right, so I want to find carpet, this one. Their copy path. I just want to copy the path. Okay. Kind of want to see what this looks like run through color code, but I gotta remember how to do this thing. Pretty sure I run make. That's one of the first steps, I guess. Detail says, speaking of beer, I should have a drink tonight. Yeah, it's a Wednesday, right? I had a bunch of beer yesterday too. Not an alcoholic, I swear. Marsha says, what do you think about the thumbs up carpet I made in stream chat? Oh, did you make a... What? Kyle looks like middle fingers, which it looks like SEO also agrees with that. Why though? Z-Brow says, I'm one step ahead of you wannabe beer drinkers. Well, cheers to you, Z-Brow. Sasso CS, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you are doing well. Tislaw says, how is your WSL so seamless? Are you using hardware acceleration or a GPU? So this isn't Windows subsystem for Linux. This is a virtual machine. And I have somebody actually show me. Did they link the video? No. Oh cool. I have a video which talks about how I set up my virtual machine here. So you can see all the settings that I use to make it work so seamlessly. But yeah, it's VirtualBox, so yeah, it's yeah, it's a virtual machine. Ben Meg says, have you come across Samia Halby? She's an artist who bought an Amiga at 50 years old and learned to code to create digital art. I have not, but that's pretty cool. I will have to check that out. What about the click where you said you're an alcoholic? I think I explicitly said I'm not an alcoholic, but in a sarcastic voice. Atsudan, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. We'll validate that because I don't quite remember whether it was a affirmative or not. It's in the top all time. Oh shit! The title kind of gives it away though. Oh yeah, you're right. It is the affirmative. Damn it! You're in a college town. Alcoholics don't exist in college towns. Don't give me more excuses. Hey, welcome, Sassocius. Hello, hello. Clink indeed, Zebrow. Atsudan says, have you ever heard of i3WM? I have, and I've tried it on stream, and oops, sorry about the mic. I'm not a fan of tiling window managers. Open source is hard? Yeah, 100%. Oh, I see you still have that that nice tier 3 emote from Juicebox Hero. I satisfied. Nirm says, it sure be not easy to fill a living Pokedex. I have a living Pokedex. I have a living shiny dex, which is crazy. How's the code been? I mean, I think I launched Precommit CI since you've been here, or at least made the more finished version of it. I can't find a Google Summer of Code organization I can contribute to. Well, I don't have too many recommendations there. I was a mentor on paper. I don't think I was actually. I didn't really do too much mentorship because I was too busy. But I was a mentor on paper for the Python packaging group. But I don't have any recommendations. I have like very little association with the stuff that they do. Helped a little, but I guess it's still double encoded, so I still have some back end that isn't listed. So that's probably inside of the JSON itself. So then on the other end, you would have to decode that JSON. But my guess is that \n is actually part of the JSON encoding and not actually a double new line. I had to guess. Yeah, Clink is like cheers. Oh, I should get a cheers emote. Hey, what's up, Shaz? Hello, hello. Good to see you. Okay, so let's start with generating a color code given this. I think I remember right. This just takes environment variables. Yeah. Color code 303 out.htm. Right, I have to activate the virtual environment. Name carpet. See what that looks like. Hello. Okay, yeah, that's good. What I wanted to see. Fairly random, fairly uniform. Okay, so let's change these to dark background. Handling Python packages is something I need to get over learning. Is it supposed to be hard? So here's my opinion, and maybe this might be a little bit controversial because I think a lot of people disagree with me. I actually don't think Python packaging is that hard. I think the hard part about Python packaging is figuring out your first package that works, and then after that, it's just copy and paste that. And honestly, your first package can be a copy and paste from someone else's packaging that works fairly well. I have essentially two core types of packages, like single Python file package and Python directories packages, and I follow those same two patterns for basically everything. But I don't know. I have like a fairly basic tutorial on GitHub. Declarative metadata. Yeah, so check out this video. I go over a very basic setup.py as well as how to convert it to declarative metadata, and I think that's like generally what I link to for there. Carbot holding up a big mug with both of his little paws. I was thinking of like getting a beer mug with the W3 Schools logo on the front, maybe. iSatisfied says, I was here when you launched Frequency I. Is the auto update still going good? Yeah, they're going fairly well. We keep finding new bugs basically every week. Although some of them have just been like bugs with GitHub. It's like, what are you gonna do? Hey, what's up, Alamut? Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. How are you doing? And Jenny Pie's here. How you doing, Jenny Pie? There's new follower emotes, by the way, Jenny Pie. So if you want ADC up and ADC down, you've got it now. Prox says 100% agree. Yeah. Copy pasted packages all the way down. Who wrote the Genesis package? Right. Jenny Pie says, have you ever used Flask SQL Alchemy? I can't find a way to drop a single table. I have not used Flask SQL Alchemy, so I actually don't know too much about it. Nesta and Elmut, thank you both for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you are doing well. iSatisfied has redeemed Play Type Racer for chat. Okay, so one thing that has changed since you've been here is there are now two choices for Type Racer iSatisfied. You can play normal mode or hard mode. So which one would you like, iSatisfied? How'd you navigate to the line so fast? I don't, which... what did I do here? I think I did this, maybe? I don't know. I think I searched. I don't know which one you were talking about, but I'm fairly fast navigating around. Oh no, Color Marku, no. I'm so much worse at Type Racer in standing mode. Oh, and I'm especially bad at hard mode. Alright, well, we will do instant death mode, chat. Oh, for fuck's sake. So bad at instant death mode while standing. I don't know why standing makes it so much harder for me. But anyway, join the link that I just posted. Make sure to click join race, and you can Type Racer me too. Ooh, it's a short one, but it has funny punctuation. We'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. We basically do this one until I succeed. That's how this mode works. Oh, we're off to a fucking great start. Great, how are you? I'm doing well. You have been disqualified. There we go. Oh, everyone else died too. I don't feel so bad. Oh wait, no, Guest is still going. Guest might or did Guest, I think Guest died. I think everybody died. No one won that one. Alright, on to the next one. Actually, it's gonna let me join in a bit. Standing in hard mode, yeah, this is like the double hard mode. Channel Bite's bet how many times it takes before we start. I don't know about that. Didn't accept my first eye? Oh, at least I got the first character. Oh shit. Fuck! Damn it. I was doing well too. Oh, Marsha's gonna win. Oh no, Marsha died. Rip GG. I type better when standing? I satisfied as redeemed switch keyboard. Okay, well, we're really throwing a loop into this one. See how quickly I can switch keyboard before I have to do it. Oh shit. Okay, well, we'll switch keyboards after trying this one. Just redeem all the channel points. Oh god, we're... Fuck! I typed the wrong without. I did with space out. My brain was like, those should be two separate words. Nope. I was wrong. Which means that I was more parsing and then regurgitating rather than just regurgitating. I go in the hole. Doo, doo, doo. Oh shit, it's starting. Ah! Yeah. Shut up, let me join! Okay, let's do one more. Oh god, it's starting! Oh, okay, got the first character wrong, perfect. Okay, this is the first time we've had Switch keyboard since I've set up my new desk, so this is gonna be a little bit jank. I don't quite know how this is gonna work. Oh my god. The answer is it's not. Where do I put my keyboard? Oh, I gotta click join. Oh, okay, I got it. I got keyboard set up now. Yes! We did it! All I needed was the other keyboard. Easy. Well, thank you for redeeming all those points. I satisfied. Appreciate that. Okay, we did it. We did it. Hard mode is so hard. Marsha says my average word per minute is up to 142 now. Nice, nice. You type thereof instead of thereof. Rip. Yeah, mistyping the first character. Yeah, that was pretty bad. That was pretty terrible. Chad says I can't type a sentence without a typo. Yeah, that was me. GPie says, what do you use for working with SQL, raw SQL, or SQL Alchemy? Seems like SQL Alchemy is the standard. I go kind of back and forth on that. It depends how complex the project is. If it's a simple enough project, I will just use prepared statements and normal SQL. Like, for instance, my chatbot just uses AIO SQLite directly with prepared statements. And that's, you know, pretty easy. Okay. Now, dark mode. Actually, how does this get generated? Why is this not inlined like the other one? It is generated. Oh, I know why it's not inlined, because I didn't write this. Background 000. Let's make that. Hello? Oh, that really doesn't work. Maybe the index. I guess we can do AAA instead. We want something lighter than A. Oh, yeah, because it's just CSS, so... these are kind of bad. Maybe we don't change that. So this will still be light mode. But then these will be dark mode. Cool. Yeah. My issue was I don't know how to type numbers. I kind of am bad at typing punctuation, so that's where I get all sorts of mixed up. Can we get a video on SQL plus Python for Anthony Explains? I could, I think I do want to do a SQLite and Python video, so maybe I will do that. Rose says you need to move the camera up because it's cutting. It'll be fine. You just don't need to. You don't need to see. You don't need to see the top. Or I could power stance. Then you got it. Nirm says, "Fuck up, Pokemon. I'm currently leveling up Dino to evolve to Zvelius since I need that at my living desk. It's currently missing 1 XP for level 50. Oh no. Oh no. In my university, I learned the dumb way with SQL injection. Oh man, LJMF. Imagine not having a numpad. I just like never use it. Ansudan says, I need a keyboard without a numpad. Without a numpad? Oh, because it's useless. Yeah, yeah. Power stands are going to last for like 5 minutes. Well, actually, I'm going to go fill up my water and use the restroom. So I will be right back, and I will see you in a sec. All right, we're back. I've got my water. And we're in power stance, so got that going. I don't even have arrow keys. Oh, I have to use arrow keys. I use them way too much. Gotta lean and sway if you power stance. It's a law. What do you mean? What do you mean? I mean, I always kind of dance when I'm standing at my standing desk. It kind of happens. So you'll just have to deal. How does he not have a water emote yet? I guess that's a good point. Well, I don't know. We will see. Maybe that'll happen. I don't know what it'd be though. Is the thing. That's the thing. Hey, what's up, Lichosa? Hello, hello. Wait, I satisfied. What does your girlfriend think about your tier 3 sub? Oh, I'm like off center now too. It's all sorts of messy. Okay. So that's the first part. Make background of generated art dark. Cheetah. That's a thing I haven't seen in a long time. So I kind of made my own templating language based on a popular templating language called Cheetah. But it like slowly evolved over time. But I actually think it's fairly nice. This is the templating language. It has some problems that I haven't fixed yet. Also, syntax highlighting doesn't really work for it, but it works fairly well for what it does. But basically, you can write inline Python and have loops and blocks and statements and stuff, and it works fairly well. But yeah, it's technically called Yelp Cheetah, I guess, because that was when I wrote it. Was while I was at Yelp, or at least while I dismantled what was once known as Cheetah and made Yelp Cheetah. But I also wrote a linter for it because, you know me, I love me some linters. Armstrong says, what's the difference between prepared statements and the other thing you can do that's supposed to be safe? So there's, is the bot dead? Why are you pinging? What? Chaz, confuse. Am's confuse. What? So there's ORMs, object relational mappers, and prepared statements. And object relational mappers are basically an entire object system that maps to SQL that gets generated. Whereas prepared statements, you write the SQL out by hand. She doesn't like it at all and calls me a simp for having it. That's so funny. It's predictable. Also, I realized kind of how gross my other keyboard is, because now my softboxes are illuminating it directly, and yeah, man, keyboards are fucking gross. Can you show me prepared statements versus unprepared statements? Yeah. Prickman has some, right? Prepared statements are the safe way to do things. Basically, you have a string that's your SQL, and inside the SQL you have question marks for the places that placeholders will get substituted into. And so you'll see stuff like this. And those placeholders are done safely using the actual database engine, so there isn't a SQL injection here. Whereas you could imagine, you know, this just being an F string and something like this. But this is unsafe. Don't ever do this. This is how you get owned, kids. Where this is no longer a prepared statement, and it's just, you know, you make the raw SQL by hand. Just yikes! Don't do that. One of my like most liked tweets is me calling someone out for like, hey, don't show people how to build SQL statements with F strings, and the guy like trying to somehow defend his terrible security vulnerability. Like, ugh. I don't know. I've realized that there's a certain segment of there's a certain like in my opinion, really cringy segment of programming Twitter, which is just like clout grind. Like they just post like low quality, essentially like small tutorial stuff all the time, and most of the time it's just like kind of wrong, kind of bad. There's this one guy that keeps showing up in my timeline, which is really annoying. Like once a day they post like something blah blah blah, and then go quote some Python, and it's just like ugh, recycle the same content every day. It's so low effort. I just don't want to see that anymore. And fucking NFT. If I could make NFT just go away, I'd be real happy with that. But anyway, she's with me watching you right now is just laughing. Nice, nice, nice. Well, hello, I satisfied's girlfriend. No sec all day, says Silly Buttons. Hey, Silly Buttons, how you doing? I don't like Bandit. I think it's good for most of the stuff that it does, but it doesn't like the assert statement. It's like, oh, asserts can be a security vulnerability. No, that's fucking bullshit. That's like saying if statements can be a security vulnerability. Like, piss off and let me use my language features. It says, yo, that feel when you get super deep into a project and realize that there's such a better way to approach it, but you've sunk so much time in your method that you power through. Yeah. Welcome to like most modern software design where they decided the way that things work. Um, they decided the architecture of things before they realized quite how much that will impact the rest of the project forever. And then it's too costly to pay down the tech debt, so you just deal with the shit forever. But, bleh. DL says, when I lost power and had to work my interview via hotspot and phone flash, I saw all the dust and dirt on my keyboard and got disgusted. Yeah. So, reminds me of my friend Chris that I used to work with. He would clean his keyboard once a week, and like we would make fun of him. But now I kind of want. I should message him and be like, "Yo, what is your kit for cleaning keyboards?" Because it's gross. It's like actually disgusting. I think he just had isopropyl and some lint-free rags. Maybe even just use paper towels. Yeah, paper towels wouldn't work though, because they would just flake everywhere. He must have had lint-free rags. No, or maybe it was glasses cleaners. I have no idea. But yeah, Joe Haggis says I can't hear anything and I don't know why. Oh no! And I assume the rest of the stream can hear me. Dinosaur ABH, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Not even string interpolation, manual concats are the way. You normally run Bandit? No, because I don't like what it does for asserts. I run it on one project, which is Flake 8, and I'm like this close to just turning it off because it's not useful. For instance, its most recent thing is anytime you have a variable that starts with the letters TOK, it thinks that it's a secret, so you can't like inspect it or print it or log it. And guess what Flake 8 does? It deals with AST tokenization, and so obviously it uses, token as a variable name, but it's not a security context, so it's looking irrelevant. Moodykins, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Foster says, why are F strings less safe than anything else? Does it matter if you check the value first? So getting SQL escaping correctly is extremely difficult and database engine specific. And I would never trust somebody to do that correctly. And it's so much easier to just do it the right way in the first place. So if you, in theory, could escape it properly, yes, then it's safe. But it's so easy to fuck it up that I would not, I wouldn't trust myself to write a proper escape routine for, even if I like researched a particular database engine. And to be clear, I wrote a really bad one for MySQL when I was a kid because I didn't know any better. In PHP, it was awful. But then whatever MySQL prepare, whatever the fucking function was, came along, and then I learned my way and used prepared statements after that. WizX Mike says I agree with that. I feel that is a mirror of cringe cloud grind Medium. Oh yeah, because Medium is the same shit where they post like low quality, clickbait tutorials that are often just like wrong or like terrible grammar. Like, oh, wait, somebody just wants attention on Twitter. Yeah, I guess I realize that's kind of the point of Twitter, right? Easier than grinding data science and algorithms? Yeah, I guess. What about data science threads? Oh, those are the worst. They're like, look at my fast AI product, which don't ever try and contribute to it because my code style is so esoteric that, you know, if you mention pet bane, I'll just ban you. Like yeah, we need to attach pickle methods to pathlab objects and monkey patch the standard library so that you can get a pandas object straight out of a string inside of a half object. Oh, fucking Christ. Alexa Buchan, hello, welcome back. Thank you for the resub with Prime at 8 months. Thank you for your continued support. Good to see you again. Influencers, yeah. You're posting cringe, bro. Yeah, I kind of want to just comment that on like all of them, but I feel like you're posting cringe, bro, is also cringe. So then it's just like a cycle of cringe. I don't know. There's a way to prevent likes from showing up on Twitter. There is a way, but I don't remember. You have to like block a particular, like an underscored hidden word that Twitter uses to categorize things, and you can block like that sort of stuff. But I don't know. I've basically just been blocking individuals, and that's that's my closest way to get out of this, better or worse. Foster says, I have this friend that unironically posts Sigma male grind sets. Oh. 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 That stuff's so gross. Unfortunate. He probably says the tutorial quality. What is this link? This is debated. It's gonna be debated, right? Oh yeah, I know. The every programming tutorial. Yeah, yeah. Yup. Yup. Mine gets wiped on daily and cleaned by monthly. Ooh. Yeah, I should probably get into like at least once a week. Jenny Pie, I see what you're trying to do there. Why clean your keyboard when you can use it until it breaks and buy a new one? Then it's perfectly shiny. Yeah, well, sometimes I spend a little bit more money than I want to just throw away on new keyboards. I don't have a $10 keyboard anymore. Oh, niche. Thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Fidel says, I'm feeling cereal for dinner is the way to go. Man, I had the worst meals today. I had pizza for breakfast. I had cereal for lunch. And then I had pizza for dinner. I'm just like a terrible monster today. I had pizza yesterday too. It's just been too much pizza. Oh well. Oh well. Hey, what's up, Dark Tower Builder? Hello. Moonikin says, I've been here before, but feel the need to actually follow this time. Nice. Thank you for the follow. Giant Ass Noob has also followed. Thank you, and welcome. Reminds me of the HP Fortify stuff that marks every password variable as a security vulnerability. How the hell am I supposed to use a password? Oh no. Dark Tower Builder says, is it Flask? Any anti-injection library for Flask? I mean, usually you would either use the database engine bindings directly, or you would use some sort of ORM like SQL Alchemy, which binds to, supports a bunch of different bindings. But then you're, in your ORM realm versus your prepared statement realm, depending on what you want to do there. Ludikin says, got a job offer, but the apartment complex that's a few hundred feet from the office won't pick up the phone. Oh no. That's the worst. Yeah, fortunately my brother helped me get apartments here in Ann Arbor, but like some of the places just like didn't pick up the phone, didn't answer emails. Like, what am I supposed to do? Fucking mail them something? No, never gonna do that. PHP plus MySQL name a better vulnerability. Yeah, right. LGMF says, found an excess vulnerability because they had done their sanitization by hand. Oh no. I mean, I've found excess vulnerabilities in a lot of stuff. The most popular was when I was 14. Let's see, Anthony 14 Gmail XSS. Yeah, here, look, I got fucking cited in someone's goddamn academic paper. Google Mail. The first example was found in Google's Gmail web application in early 2006. A teenage blogger claims he discovered a flaw that allows JavaScript to run. The blogger identifies himself as a 14-year-old by the name of Anthony and uses the alias Fernie. What an interesting little tidbit that they had to leave in there. But yeah, I was emailing myself some code from my Yahoo account and noticed that it executed when I opened the Gmail view. But yeah, here was essentially the email. What a fucking cringe way to write this article. Why did they refer to me as Fernie through the whole thing? Why didn't they just say like Anthony? Anyway, but yeah, I was on the front page of Yahoo News. I was on the front page of Dig. Um, but I didn't make any money off it because I was impatient. Meme articles that have worse spelling than my Twitch chat. Yeah, right. So Flask isn't good to work with. Flask is fine. Flask error messages suck. Type error, but it doesn't show where. Oh no, that's unfortunate. Giant S Noob says you sound like Richard from Silicon Valley. You know, everyone has told me I should watch Silicon Valley. I have seen part of one episode, which is the pescatarian episode. For two reasons. One, because I am a pescatarian, but also because the CEO of Yelp is in that scene, and I used to work at Yelp, so we saw that during a company all hands. Yeah, isn't Bongo great? You now have that emote, I satisfied. Animated emotes. Because partner. Didn't even share pizza with chat. I don't know how I would share pizza with chat. Also, it was Domino's, so like it was just kind of okay. Although Domino's has gotten way fucking better than I remember it being. I remember in college it was just kind of like it was a step up from like Little Caesars, but it wasn't that great. But it's actually pretty good now. They've got some like nice seasonings and stuff, and oh, also the Devil Kid. I saw you stop by. Hello, hello. Oh, I just haven't caught up to chat that far yet. I'm back here. Gene Pie says, you know, it'd be a good video idea how to deploy Python apps. I'm sick of localhost. Yeah, I was actually planning to do one about what is it called? Amazon's API gateway, and maybe I would also do one on Heroku. But yeah, that's a good idea. I actually have that in my list already, though. Dark Tower Builders says, that's the point. Every Django project is Django. Flask can be whatever you want. Yeah, that's true. That's true. SQL Alchemy is black magic. Yeah. Yep. What's up, Sangor? Hello, hello. My favorite is my company's InfoSec Git scanner. Variable named mock cred equals mock. That's a secret. You can't commit. Actual OAuth token in a header. All oh, that sucks. Anthony is my favorite teenage blogger, and that was literally half of my lifetime ago. More than half of my lifetime ago. Holy shit, it feels fucking old, man. It's not pronounced Fathrini? No. I did not get paid because so I reported it through Google's security thing, and they just like never got back to me. I might have reported it incorrectly. I was 14, like cut me some fucking slack. So Easy Light's here as well. Hello, hello, Easy Light. How you doing? Silicon Valley's lame. Too little programming stuff. Too many hyper social stuff. Yeah, doesn't animate for me. Oh, are you on mobile, the Devil Kid? Yeah, Twitch still doesn't support animated emotes on mobile, which is stupid for whatever reason. Sometimes buffalo wings are bomb. Well, I've literally never had buffalo wings. I see what they're like. Chad says, okay, we need to get the crazy calzone. Should I do that as like a stream goal? That would be such a silly thing. We need a calzone on stream. Uriel JN Martinez, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, oh god, what have I done? This fucking thing. Where's their like marketing? This thing. Wait, they have them hot and ready too? Can I get them that don't have pepperoni on them? Because I don't eat pepperoni. Anyway. I think it would be funny for the memes. Alexis Fraga, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Put some respect on Little Caesar. Where can you get full for $5 to $6? Yeah, that's true. That's true. That's true. Last week's sequel is slow as hell. I'm getting to 20 plus million records. Now I need to scale the ZB. I feel like if you're at that, you know, it's gonna be slow pretty much everywhere. Avalanche Pointer says Philco keyboard scout. So this is the WASD, keyboard, which I like. It's nice. Has clears. Ralph Code says, wait, you're using the terminal code in Python? Is that why you're using Nano? So it's actually not Nano. It is my own text editor called Babby. But yes, I do all my programming entirely in the terminal. Joe Hagai says, restart fixed my sound. Nice. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Mr. Singh, welcome back. And M. Andochila, thank you. Or welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. I'm in desktop and I never knew Twitch had animated emotes. What? Oh, I guess there is a setting to turn it off, so maybe that's what it is. MJ! Oh my goodness, it's been a while. We got 2 people that came back to stream today. We got MJ, we got iSatisfied. Good to see you. New place, new stream setup, indeed, indeed. We got fancy new microphone, I got a new camera, I got a new keyboard setup. I guess I can show this because got some new people. Some people that haven't seen the setup yet. But yeah, this is my new setup at my new place. There used to be Bestagons on the wall, but they all fell down, so. Hey, thank you for the resub at 13 months, MJ. Hashtag Team Standing Desk. Yeah, there's a new channel point reward, which lets me adjust desk. and Chia. And Chia. Thank you as well for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Oh wait. Yeah, no. Yeah, welcome. This is the right thing. I don't know if there's a meatless option. Surely they could make it custom, right? Hopefully. 10 gift subs and I'll eat one on stream. Yeah, I could do it for 10 gift subs. I could do that. A Squeaky says the author of Fast API just released a thing, SQL model. Oh yeah, I saw that on Twitter. Which is kind of like a bridge between RMs and the what are those damn things called? Not data classes, maybe data classes? I don't use them, so I don't remember the name. You call ahead, you should be able to. Not that I used to work for them, says Priox. They do have a cheese variant? Oh. It's a Valplay TM. Hello, hello. Welcome to the stream. And Net Frazier. Welcome as well. And Alexis. How's it going? That says let's go. Oh my, what do we got here? What do we got here? Oh. So we can get one. Okay. We can maybe make that happen. Repus PT, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Ginny Pie says, I aspire to write Python code without autocomplete one day. I don't know if that's a thing to aspire to. I think autocomplete is a good thing. And that I don't have it is kind of a crutch. Although, the joke that I always used to say is, if I used an IDE, I would be, I think it was, if I used Vim or an IDE, I would be so much more efficient at programming that I would burn out. But yeah, iSatisfied says, walk me through the new setup. Okay, so we'll do it very, very quickly. I actually have a whole new video that goes through all of my, shit, that's not what I want to do. That goes through all of my setup stuff. But yeah, we'll very quickly go through it. So same computer as before, same monitors as before, but now this one is on a pull mount. So I've reorganized things a little bit. My old face cam is now the keyboard cam. So the white balance is Oh, it's actually fine with this keyboard. The other keyboard, there's still a little bit of white balance issues, but it's a little bit better. This is the SM7B, which is a fairly standard vocal microphone. And it is XLR cabled into the SSL2 Plus, which is a middle of the road audio interface. I have it currently enabled in the 4K mode, which is, I don't know, it doesn't make much difference, but here's the 4K button off, and here's the 4K button on. It does a little bit of subtle volume or subtle audio distortion. And this is the Sony A6400, which I have fed in through the capture card. And the softboxes aren't new. I have a new desk. This is the old desk, which I still use. But yeah, that's what's up with that. How do you like the standing desk? So this is actually the second one that I bought of this model, because I have another one that I use for work in the other room, and yeah, but it's all right. I like it. Your keyboard is clearly broken into 2 pieces. Yeah, indeed. Anthony Chuck Norris confirmed, says Ender. Yeah, my computer is pretty big, Virtual Paracosm. Where'd you get your wallpaper? Which one? This one? Or this one? Because I don't know where I got this one. I could probably find it by doing a reverse image search. But this one is the 1004 Ubuntu wallpaper. Hey, what's up, Ralphie Coates? Hello. Good to see you again. Greg says, I used to be a name tuple type of coder, and now I've seen the light of data classes. I can't go back. I see. I'm still name tuple for life. Octavius, good to see you. Double core fidget spinner. Yeah, well, one of them is just like a standard, normal fidget spinner. This one is broken, but it makes it more satisfying for me. So like, it's not weighted properly. One of these is missing like internal springs, so it vibrates. Oh, it just feels so much better. But yeah, I have 2 fidget spinners, and I have the original fidget cube. This guy here, from the Kickstarter, way back in the day. Do you have a link for the top monitor mount? I can get it on Amazon right now. Let's see. I had to get like the biggest one, the heaviest one that they had, because this top screen is fairly bulky. Standing desk. Wait, single monitor. Yeah. This one. The link. Yeah, this one. You need a new mouse. Yeah, I have like literally the cheapest mouse you can get. Negative IQ viewer, good to see you again. Hey Anthony, what does this kind of import mean in Python? Those are explicit relative imports. Do I have a video about them? Yes, I do. Explicit relatives. You can learn more about them here. Gladimer, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Kane the Game says new keyboard. So I have 2 keyboards, and someone redeemed the channel points. I think I satisfied redeemed the channel points to switch keyboards. So the other one is still hanging out here. But a bit of a stream meme to switch the keyboards. Dean Pie says had to deal with stupid circular imports. Oh no. God, circular imports are the worst. Okay, so let's talk about what I want to do here. So what I kind of want to do is how's this gonna work? I basically want to have a seed color that I generate various shades of that color and probably use some sort of distribution curve. I don't know how this. Are clears like reds? There's no physical bump. So clears are like browns that are heavier. Which keyboard do you like more? I enjoy typing on this one more, but that one's cooler. That one's cooler for stream. This one I like to use more. Do you think the fidget toys help you concentrate in some way? Yo, I fidget all the time. I have ADHD and I'm currently unmedicated for it, and so I'm constantly fiddling with stuff. Like I spin pens. I don't have a pen here. I like spin pens all the time. Um, like fairly rare that you actually catch me without a pen in my pocket, but I didn't go outside today, so of course I wouldn't have put a pen in my pocket if I didn't go outside. But yeah, I'm a very fidgety person, and yeah, so I wouldn't say they're essential to my productivity, but yeah, they are a thing that I do all the time. From dot path import x, yes. Import dot x, no. Yeah, you can't do a relative import. You can only do relative from imports, but you can do from dot import x. Do you context switch a lot when not streaming? How do you get anything done? Yeah, I context switch all the time. I context switch while streaming too. I actually think context switching is an important part of why I'm productive at work, because I have to keep a lot of stuff in my head at the all at the same time, and due to the way the code review process works at Stripe, I'm constantly interrupted and constantly waiting for people to sign up on stuff. So I spend a fuck ton of time just like, oh well, guess I'm blocked for another 8 to 12 hours on this thing, so I'm gonna start working on something else, and I would jump around to a bunch of stuff at the same time. Dot imports always break for me. I avoid them. Yeah, I would strongly suggest not using explicit relative imports. Yeah. Yeah. I agree with that, Preox. Okay, so how's this gonna work? I guess have to kind of try stuff and improve it over the time. Okay, so the way this works right now is we have a widths mode and a hex mode. I think I want to add another mode to this. We're gonna add arugament. Scene color. Is that gonna work? Do that, and then we need we need if seed color does not equal the string none. Oh, gross. Silly buttons, okay. We're now in Vim mode because Silly Buttons has. Oh no, don't tell iSatisfied about this. If you donate a number of bits that ends in 51, I use Vim for that number of minutes. Nirma's headed to bed. Well, thank you for stopping by. Good to see you. EasyLight says, I'm known to rock back and forth in meetings, especially in stand-ups. Yeah, I do that a lot too. Or I spin, or dance around. It happens. Does your ADHD fuck you over, or does it help with programming? It depends. It depends if I'm interested in what I'm working on, or if I don't give a shit. If I don't give a shit, it's very much a hindrance. If I'm invested and interested in what I'm working on, then it helps in a way. Because in some ways it helps me hyper focus on stuff. You're like, I don't have any bits. Praise be. I felt like I talked through this more than I'm gonna give you a little bit more Vim. I feel like I'm so I don't cheat you out of this. Is there any good alternative to that being blocked by PR reviews and getting distracted by PR requests? I hear people talk about mobbing, but I can't really focus on Zoom calls. No, there isn't really a good alternative. Because most of the time when I'm waiting, so my team is very, very good about responding to code reviews in a timely fashion. So it's never like an issue with my specific team. It's whenever I have to send a code review to some other team, because they like they have to gain a bunch of unknown context, and they have to be online, and they have to not be a manager, and they have to not be an intern, and like, and they have to have the time of day. They have to be in the right time zone. Like all this shit has to line up and be correct in order for them to be even available to review. And then sometimes they just don't give a shit and so they don't review the code. So I've started a new tactic where I just like manually DM people once a day. Hey, have you taken a look at this yet? And it seems to work, but I also feel like a dick whenever I do it. Nice. Do junior newbies approve PRs? Yeah, they can. And interns can as well. But there's also this calibrated reviewer system, which is cribbed from Google and implemented for the wrong reasons that I can't really talk about on stream. But basically, people have to have a special reviewer badge that you have to get at least one of those types of people to sign off on your review, which I think is fun. Euclid the Dark, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Crack says, that's what I do. I throw virtual Nerf darts at people until they look at my code. Yeah. I mean, when I worked at Yelp, we threw physical darts. Oh, right. That work? Can I now? Damn it. I know how to undo. I need to go into visual mode and do this. There we go. That's what I wanted to do. We need to make a Python function here. We can't use type annotations here because I never implemented them because they didn't even exist. Or I mean, they existed. There wasn't typing, so. Endif and spaceif. Yeah. I think there's supposed to be a colon here as well. So if seed color we're gonna do some shit. That's a hard tab. I don't want any of those here. We're gonna do some math here. Let's just return color for now. And see what that does. Right. We end def, not end if. Pretty sure. New line. Okay. Still working. Cool. We added a daily ping from Open GitHub pull request to Slack. As long as everyone has their accounts connected, we'll tag them in the channel. Yeah, we have that too. People just fucking ignore it. It's just so annoying. It's actually the worst. I really don't like it. Are you about to DM people? Yeah, no, that already happens. That already exists. That's like built in. But people just ignore the bot. Which sucks. It's not endif? Yeah, no, I just fucked up. Knowledge says, what is your Wi-Fi name? Why do you want to know my Wi-Fi? It's a weird thing. How you doing, Knowledge? What's the name of that blue box with buttons and stuff? This? This is the BDN9, which is keyboard 3. Yes. Sounds like your culture isn't very collaborative. So, sometimes it's great, but most of the times it's not. Bond needs to tag people skip levels. I don't know if that would be productive or would. I feel like it would just piss people off. But. Sure, this still works. We haven't made any changes yet. Okay, cool. That looks good. So now what I want to do is I want to take an accent color. Oh hey, this one's already here. Are you fucking kidding me? It's my own goddamn emote. Okay, it still works. I'm gonna add a stupid right-click handler. Watch me. Why does it still look low res at this? I could do the higher. We want our color picker. Hello. Color picker. That. So now what I want to do is be able to do color code. I wanted to be able to see the color. It doesn't do anything yet. But basically what I want to do is when there's a seed color, I want to multiply by that something. I don't know. Let's try that. Color code handle. Oh, it had more fit. I didn't even notice. Shit. Okay, well, I guess I owe you 2 minutes then. Knowledge says because mine is never gonna give you up. Nice, nice. Yeah, mine's. I think it's Herpderp or Herpderp 2 or Herpderp 3. Oh no, so many Vim minutes. Okay, okay, all right. I see where this is going. Hey, what's up, Ethan Typing? Thank you for the Prime sub at 26 months. Thank you for your continued support. It's good to see you again. Oh, we got hype train too. Perfect. Okay, so and the color 16. What's what we need to do? Oh god. Oh god. How do I Vim? Colon 2. G B, and this should be 2 to 4. That doesn't sound right. Be 2 to 5. Nope, it's 2 to 4. I had it right. Okay. Okay, and I guess to make these look the same, and then we need to do the same thing. Oh god. Oh man. This. Silly bites more bits. Dino says, fun hack, if I cheer 51 repeatedly, I get more time than cheering 151. I don't think it works that way. Oh, I guess you get more per bits. Yeah. Yeah, that. I didn't think about that. Yep, that is definitely how that works. Can I do... Oh, I don't know how to use find and replace in Vim. I'm gonna use my hand. Uh. Oh no, is this never gonna end? I feel free to abuse it. I think it's fine. It's part of the system. And 2, 4. I think at this rate we're gonna have Vim for the rest of the stream, though, right? The V key is for highlight. Yeah, I know. I was visual mode. I was using visual block mode, which is why I did Shift V. It's just like said except different. Of course. I know it's something like said. When are we going to get in numbers? What does that mean? We all waited until he took his headphones off to force Vim. Yeah, it was good. Good timing. Good timing. Quick maps. Yeah, yeah. Paying someone to use Vim. Yeah, I mean that's what's happening. Okay. How's this gonna work? I think it's that. Maybe? I don't think F strings work. Now that I think about it. It might work. I don't know if I ever made them work. Oh, it compiled. Let's see what it compiled to. Oh! I guess it worked. Okay, let's see if that generated what I wanted here. It didn't change. Seed underscore color. Seed underscore color. What? Hype train complete. Well, thank you for the hype train. Oh, we missed it. We didn't even get level 1. Rip us. You can use curly braces to navigate through blocks. Kinda works. Not really. It's just an eval on the other end? No, not quite. Why did this not work? We can just do... That should error. Hello? Oh, I know what I forgot to do. I've got to actually call this damn function. Yeah, that would do it. Yeah. That would do it. Satisfied says, "Hey, you said you're in Ann Arbor. How do you like it there? I'm going to be going to EMU, and I want to check out the area around it too. The girlfriend. Yeah, I really like Ann Arbor. I went to U of M, so I was here for 4 years. And yeah, I really like the area. My brother lived in Ypsilanti for a few years as well, and he thought it was fine. See what happens when cheering to think about Windows. Yeah. Here's my pointer, so call me maybe. Oh no. Oh no. I think there's actually an error here because I don't think these triplets are. I think there's a subtle bug that's always existed here, and I think we'll see it. Yeah. Transform color is not defined. Oh yeah, it needs to be $sign. I think it's actually supposed to be self dot. Insertion error wet. Yeah, that's what we expect. This should work again. RG is not defined. Should be RC. Hello? Let me in insert mode! It's supposed to be BC. Wait, what breaks Vim time? What broke Vim time? Oh wait, why did it not? Why did it not give you Vim time here? Oh, it doesn't add it if you think about Windows. Oh, that's shitty. Yeah. Okay, so I owe you some Vim time. And we should fix that. We should make sure that the bits has highest priority. Because otherwise that seems shitty. Invalid int literal for this. Yeah, so we have to do a thing. Wait, why are you at bytes? Oh. 0 bytes. Are just 6 0? L-just. L-just? Triplet. Oh, we're back in here. Since I owe you some, we'll use Vim. Oh god, that's not what I want. Triplet dot L-just 6. Oh. Seems appropriate for it to not add to Vim. I feel like it should. I feel like it should hit. I feel like the bits counter should get triggered first. Epta says it's crazy he doesn't even use the mouse. What a hacker. I mean, I do use the mouse. It's chilling here. Think about Windows. There shall be no Vim for you. Yeah. VS Code for life. It's fine. It's fine. Flumsy says, dude, where do you shop for your shirts? They always look nice. This one was a gift from Juicebox Hero. I don't know where she got this from. I think she got it from Amazon. The rest of most of the rest of my shirts are from the Gap. Thinking about Windows should initiate code. Oh no. Oh no. When are you gonna do a stream in a onesie? I feel like I would need an incentive. I feel like chat would need to pick a onesie and then fund it through gift subs somehow. I don't know, send an Amazon link and some gift subs and maybe I'll do a stream in a onesie. A weird request. I guess we did during the 12-hour stream. I wore some interesting outfits. This is gonna double the like this one, which is Chad's favorite titty costume, which I set aside says don't tempt me. Oh no. But yeah, anyway. Wait, what is this? What is this? Is this a risky click? Hold on. Oh, this is actually fucking adorable. And it's so on brand. Wait, what's the difference between the two? This one looks better. Oh, man. This is actually so... Like, I think I would almost wear this unironically. um, hmm. Did you go through an emo phase? Did I ever leave my emo phase? How does one poop? I don't know. I'm gonna bookmark that. That way. Okay, if chat wants me to do a onesie stream, we need to decide on a number of gift subs, and then I will purchase this onesie and wear it on stream. This is a deal. You can clip that and ship it. How do I make a book? I do it on accident all the fucking time. There we go. I think I'm still in my emo phase. Did we just convince Anthony to do a onesie stream? I think you did. Is this free Phantom? Oh no. I satisfied says just give me a number. Oh no. Does it have buttons? It does. It does have buttons. So it would still be on brand. What did I come back to and why do I see bare feet? I mean, are you really looking at the feet of the Amazon model? Name the number? What do you think's fair, chat? Like 50 for a whole stream in a onesie where you can live out your Anthony Writes Code furry crossover dreams? Virtual Paracosm says 1. I don't think I'm gonna do it for 1. 100 for a 12-hour Umbreon onesie stream. I think it would get really sweaty by that. You know? We only get to see half you though. I feel like I could stand up and do some twirls for you, chat. That way you could, I could stand, about here, and you could get the full twirl. I've got the fanfuck. Oh yeah, there we go. We know right where my brain's going there. The fanfic already outlined. Oh no. Gift subs help you to cool down. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Onesie twerk. I think that's against the terms of service. I think that's against terms of service. Is September still a thing? I don't know. 69 gift subs. Yeah, there we go. I would do a normal stream for 69 gift subs. Okay, did this. Oh. How did some of these. This did not do what I expected it to do. Why are some of them yellow? Oh, because I want to multiply by a scalar, not by a vector. Right. This is close to what I want. But not quite. Not quite what I want. Hey, Ralphie Codes, thank you for the resub at 2 months. Thank you for your continued support. That gets you a fancy new badge. Hot tub coding stream? Yeah. I was gonna do one, but I think the meta is gone. They have mostly naked girls on stream. Yes, but the TOS explicitly calls out twerking, so I don't think we can get away with that. Yeah, so this does not do what I want to do. How is this gonna work? I think what I actually need to do is just take one hex nibble at a time. Ooh, we got trillion white space here. Gross. Can you just make mouth boppy noises to the beat of the clapping at the start of the car wash by Rose Road? I have no fucking idea. My mouth makes noises. I don't control it. I don't know what song that is, so probably not. But I also don't know. Oh. Maybe we could just ignore one of the... Oh, also... Got tabs in here. We don't want any of those stupid tabs. Wait, what? This is all sorts of messy. Okay, so I think we just want scalar equals int color 02. So we'll just ignore... In the scaling, we'll ignore two of the parts, so... Let's call scalar n. I just realized you're writing Python instead of HTML. What is this magic? This is a templating language that I wrote called Yelp Cheetah. Which basically it's Python. What the fuck? Why doesn't this work? Am I misunderstanding how color spaces work? Probably. I feel like multiplying blue by some percentage should always... Maybe I just don't know how to scale colors. Oh, this is supposed to be G. First off. Maybe that's the problem? I'm hoping that's the problem. Oh, there we go. This is like very close to what I want. This is actually like very close to what I want. I think what I would want to do though. Would your old way work with the proper multiplication? Oh yeah, that's a good point. I don't think so. I think it would shade things weird. I think I can do this? Is that a multi-line comment? Or did I get rid of multi-line comments? I think I got rid of multi-line comments. Right. I can't comment when it's already directives. Yeah, this is what comment is. I don't think this is gonna work, but we're gonna try it anyway. I think it's gonna give like, yeah. Yep, that's what I thought I was gonna do, so. Okay, so this is very close to what I want. I think there's too many blues though, so I kind of want to force the distribution in a different way. Which I think, how can I do that? I basically want to grind some of the things that way. Oh, Chris, thank you for the raid, Mr. Sir. Welcome to the stream, everyone. For those of you that don't know, my name is Anthony. I primarily work on Python stuff in open source. Some of the things that I work on that you might have heard of are PyTest, Tox, Precommit, PyFlakes, Dead Snakes, a whole bunch of other stuff. I do lots of, I mean, I'm a big part of why the Python community works, so yeah. But today, we are working on generating some art, because I want to have some art on the wall back there. And so we're adjusting a piece of code that I wrote a long while back called color code. Nope. Color code that I wrote with my ex-girlfriend 2014, 2015, something like that. But the idea behind it is you feed a binary into some of this code stuff, and it generates, nice, cool, artsy art stuff. And that's the point behind it. Going to senior, and 3pixbot and Verila Fox. Thank you all for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you are doing well. Oh my god, I'm so far behind on chat. Catch you later. Well, thank you for stopping by, Mr. Singh. Write your own language and not know how to use it. Yeah, well, I haven't written in this language in a real long time. Cursplat says new keyboard. Well, technically, we have just swapped the keyboard, which is a channel point reward. So I have the other keyboard here. We're just using the other one temporarily. Warzoid, welcome to the stream, and Ian Alex Harn, good to see you as well. Welcome. And Verila Fox as well, and Dota, how you doing? Welcome back. Getting into the NFT game. Oh. I'll put my headphones back on, that way I can hear stuff again. My sister's an artist administrator. If you move to Canada, we can probably get you funded. I don't think I want to do NFT. Or if, I don't know, if somebody wants to take my code and make NFTs from it and send me a chunk, I'd be fine with that, but I don't want to get an NFT. I don't work. I kind of don't necessarily agree with what it does, but yeah. Fixer Jake, hello. Says gives you 0.001 ETH per NFT. Oh, I was like, what is that sound? Oh, it's the music, of course. I was just really confusing myself. But anyway, this is what the stock code does, and we're making 2 adjustments to it today. One of them is... Now the music stops, of course. Color code /index. So the first adjustment that we did is we changed everything to be dark mode, or we changed the background to be black, because I think the black background works better than the light background, personally. Now you don't see the black squares as much, but whatever. But actually, another thing about this that I think is pretty cool is this program helps you visualize how your executable actually looks, or how your file actually looks. So you'll notice here there's a pretty stark transition between these 2 color spaces here. And that's because this is the strings region of the C binary. And ASCII text, not for whatever reason, it makes complete sense. ASCII text happens to fit within a particular range of numbers, which always results in these kind of ugly muted colors, whereas this is the binary region of the executable, so you see these brighter, more vibrant colors. And then when the strings table is done, you kind of get to the data table, which is a lot of null bytes and other more structured looking data. But what about something more dark modey than pure black? I mean, I could oh yeah, I guess that would probably maybe work better. So if we did 666 instead. Didn't want to click on that one. I wanted to click on the background. This one. No, 333. No. See what it looks like on this one. I kind of like the pure black, but I mean, this is the one that I'm trying to. Oops, this is supposed to be justified. This is the one that I'm trying to get to look nice. I don't like the 222. I think sticking with black is. But yeah, these are the shiny Umbreon colors, so I'm trying to, theme it similar to my channel stuff. The here. The Prushy carpet. Um, that's what I'm trying to do. So now I'm gonna try and do some sort of distribution function where I shift the lower numbers. I basically am like, I basically have a curve that is a uniform curve right now, and I want to change it to be a curve that is more, it's more like this, I think. I don't know how I'm gonna do that. Wait, is carpet Prussian? Oh, carpet's a Prushy. Oh, I see what you're saying. Grandpa's iPad! Thank you for the resub at 11 months in a row. Thank you for your continued support. It's good to see you again. Hey, Outdated Version is here as well. Hello, hello. How to NLP in non-English language? I have no idea. Yadrick, welcome back. Good to see you. Jcode IT, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. I don't know how to do NLP in English. Well, I kind of do a little bit, but NLP is a hard problem. And I don't know that it's... I don't know how to do it in non-English. We need Grandma's iPad on our side to do the Umbreon onesie stream. All right, chat. So is it going to be 50 or is it going to be 69? You choose. Here, we'll do a poll. How many gift subs to do an Umbreon onesie stream? 50 or 69? And we will allow... No, we won't allow cheatsy votes. I'll give you 3 minutes to vote on the poll. There you go. While I try and figure out numbers. Where's Kevin Schoberg? Kevin goes to bed on weekdays. So Kevin's usually only here on the weekends, which is fair. Okay, so I think if I turn it into a number and square it, if I turn it into a number between 1 and 0 and square it, that might give me the distribution that I want. Let's see. Ooh, yeah. I think that's a little bit better. I don't know if that's quite what I want, though. Oh, I did the full make. Dang it. Well, that didn't work. Why didn't that work? Shouldn't it have just... Probably working during the week. He's much more active on weekends. Yeah, it's true. My setup side says, what if I just buy the onesie and hand deliver it with beer? This one seems a little dark. Yeah, I agree. It has more of the dark colors, which I don't want. I think I think I actually want a distribution that looks like this. So like round out the, like get rid of most of the inner parts and have it more at the extremes. But I don't know how to force that distribution. I don't know how to take a number between this 0 and 255 and force it in either direction. Chat has voted for 69 gift subs. Oh, actually, there's a new thing that we can do with Twitch. How does this work? I can make a sub goal. Add a new. Wait. No, I don't want quick action. Manage goals. Oh, I can only do like a sub count goal. Can't do like this number of gift subs. Dang it. Well, I will just record it in my brain. So if we get 69 gift subs, I will do a Saturday stream in a onesie. In that onesie. I voted for 50 so it'd be faster, says Martian. Yeah, Twitch has built-in sub goals now, which is kind of cool. Okay, so how am I gonna do this? How do I shift a number? Can I do this with math? I think basically what I could do is like if I shift it so it's around 0, or if I shift it so it's between -1 and 1, record the sign, square it, and then subtract from 1 so that it's forced to the edges. Will we get a full body camera view? Yeah, I will step back from the camera and show you the full. I will give you the full except for the feet. Hey, what's up, CMH? Hello, hello. Wait, so what's the math details? Because he literally said he after you said except for the feet. Yeah. Well, I mean, you're already getting essentially free AWC. Like, you can't have all the fetishes in one stream. So Wei says, started learning Python lately. All it's shown me is how horrible I am at math. Oh no. I mean, I don't really know what I'm doing either. Okay, so n minus equals 128. That'll get us between negative 127 and, or negative 128 and 127. You're squaring to have more light, then you just need to shift the input value. It's negative 4 squared is 4 squared. Yeah. Oh, you're saying that I don't need to write this here? I can just yellow it here? You're saying if I shift it by 128, then I wear it and add 128? No, but I still want some blacks. shift it, then square, then divide by 255. Okay, so you're saying n minus 128, then divide this by 255, then square it, and then multiply by 255? I don't think that. Unknown format code X for type float. I need to intify it after that. Oh, wait. That did kind of work. Wait, why did that work? Hey, what's up, Dream Traveling? Hello, hello. Yeah, wait, why did that work? I'm like a little brain mushed. So this is between, I think that's between 0.5. Yeah, wait, why did this work? Between -0.5 and 0.5. Yeah, but then you square it, so you lose the sign. So it's between 0 and 0.25, right? But shouldn't I multiply this by 4 times this? I feel like this is going to be complete nonsense, though. Wait, now we're back to this. This is what we had before. Definitely don't want that. Hmm. I'm confused how it could get such bright colors. I think I actually want to divide this by 128. Well, I didn't want to do the full make. I think that's closer to what I want. I feel like I want to maybe cube instead of square? Shit, that's not what I want to do. Cube bad? I don't know. This is actually not terrible. Oh, I want an even power? Because negative turns to 0. Yeah. This is actually fairly nice. I think I don't like that there's so many of the... There's like not as many of the high colors. What the fuck did I do there? How did that end up messed up? Although, oddly enough, I kind of like this. It's not the intention, but... Hmm. Green tiles stand out too much? Yeah, I agree. I feel like maybe the answer is we just cut off everything that's below a certain number. Uh, if n is less than 60. Why did that do that? Wait, why is 0? What? Why is 0? Oh, because it's negative. Shit. Okay. Hmm. I think this is coming together a little bit. You won't see much difference with any specific power. You could square root. Square root the absolute value? Yeah, that is an idea. Dragon says, I have a list of items and I need to compare each one to the previous one. What's the most Pythonic way to do that? You could use zip. The problem is as soon as you slice, it's going to be slow. It depends what you want to do for the first and last item. You could use zip with iSlice, and then that would still be fast. Six says, "What is this? It's art." I'm trying to. It's generated from binaries. So this is the original, and I'm trying to make something that looks nice enough that's like generated that I'm gonna stick on my wall. Do you want more or less light blue? I think this is actually what I want. I think this is actually fairly close to what I want. Um, that's not what I want. Ooh, that's kind of nice. I think I kind of like this. The thing is, this is like, bleh. Hey, what's up, Griffinborg? Hello. What them things do, streamer? Oh, what about some randomness? I mean, it is already essentially random. Very magic number, yeah. Um, yeah, like we could. Like, here's what it looks with some random. It's not enough random. Randomness doesn't really change too much. Magic numbers without the magic? Yeah. Congrats on gluing your cube back together. Yeah. I'm gonna put this down. Yeah. My feetsies are getting tired. Okay, that looks worse. Yeah, a little worse. But I kind of want to generate it from some thing of value, I guess. Um, hey, Griffinborg! Thank you for the resub with Prime. The Prime Gaming sub. gotta get your bongo on. Oh, I don't know if this is better than no magic numbers. Hmm. I think it's really just I want more black regions. No, that loses a lot of its. I wish there was like a slightly more scientific way for me to go about doing this. If n mod 3 equals 0, n equals 0. You're just saying like cut out a third of them? Huh. Hmm. Yeah, I don't know. This is like very close to what I want. Like, I think this gonna make it even less because mod it's a sieve essentially. Oh, I don't know. What was the original squaring thing that I did? Divided by 255. We do this and cut out the middle numbers. Right, and space if. Hmm. Ooh. Ooh, I kind of like this. I don't understand why the green is happening. I'm pretty sure it's an artifact of the... It's not actually green. I think it's an artifact of Twitch compression. Because they're all blue. It says, what is that? It's art generated from code. Do you think if we DDoS bugs.python.org that Python will stop having bugs? I don't think so. Pip no longer has search, I guess. Yeah, I mean, this would be a cool project to wire up as a digital board art. Yeah, well, I also want just like an actual print, a framed print of this. I see one green one. This one here. Yeah, that one does look kind of green. Why does that one look green? You're right, that one that one does look green. I think it's because linearly scaling colors is not what I want to do. There's like some color theory thing. Scale intensity of a color. Like, do I have to convert it to HSL and then multiply it? Is that what I need? Is that why this looks weird? Do I want HSV? What do I want? Basic principle doesn't really help me that much. Whoa, this looks cool. I think this is what I want. This shit's way over my head. N Tesla, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. I want HSV. Is that what I want, Mr. Singh? Okay, we're gonna use one of the wackiest modules in Python that no one ever uses called ColorSys. Wait, what's YIQ? Alright, let's convert it to HSV. Wait, is RGB between 0 and 1? Between 0 and 1. Gross. That's fine though. I don't know if the syntax works. ColorSys dot ColorSys dot RGB to HSV. So this, I should have I should have saved the old code. Uh, how did everything end up being 0? Yeah, just in the chat for that. What color is it? 5-2. Here, I'll paste this in chat. What the what? I guess I should look at the generated code. Sure, it actually looks reasonable. Yeah, this looks fine. Oh, you know what we can do? I forgot about this. We can literally set a breakpoint in this code. Actually, we can do that. I think we can do that by doing by breakpoint. Oh, except it runs in the background. Right. Never mind. Can't figure out how to say feet in hex. Well, you can get feel. I don't know how you would make a T. F337. Yeah, there you go. That's feet. It's literally leet, but with an F. Okay, so let's do. Stupid math. Help, Diffuser, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. What is the color of feet? I guess it's a reddish tone. Okay. Oh. Okay, so it round trips fine, so it must be this line that's fucky. Oh. Oh. Well, it's different. He's not aligned. Okay, we have a different result, but it's not correct. So let's try HSL instead. Or is it HLS? HLS. This is the correct gradient scaling? No, it's not an int. An RGB 218 of green is a lot of it. Yeah. Oh no. Oh no. Let me get back to HSV. I feel like that's closer. Wait, what did I just do? This that's not right. Oh, because we just converted HSV to HLS. Wait, what? Why does it even kind of work? We just converted from HLS to HSV and it actually has some of the right colors. Saturation. I think I actually want to skew value and not saturation. Oh, I'm free from Vim. Really want to divide by n over 255 rather than multiply? Well, this is a number between 0 and 1. Oh, okay, there we go. Are there any greens? Any greens in the chat? I don't see any greens. Do you see greens, chat? I don't know. I feel like I'm going colorblind now. I don't fucking know what I'm looking at. My eyes are making everything just look green. God damn it. Hmm. Oh, I don't fucking know, chat. Marco says, I see a dark green. Well, they should all be the shade of this blue now. I think we finally have the right color spear. Left-hand column 7 from the top. This one? No, it's definitely the right blue. Do dark green too this time. God damn it. Oh, this one right here. right? That one there. That one's definitely green. I think there's several things tricking us here. I think one, the true colorness of well, there's the video encoding. That's going to skew the colors one way. Then there's browser safe coloring. That's going to skew it another way. And then there's the virtual display driver. That's going to skew it another way. And then the color correctness of my screen is going to skew it a fourth way. So I think there's like so much fucky going on here that I don't know what we can trust. um that made way more green. Now we got more greens in here. Ah, I had it a couple iterations ago. Not really. Okay, that's what I thought would happen. Hmm. Hmm. This is just a random octothorpe there. We don't want that. Actually, I think this is like fairly good. Hmm. I don't fucking know, chat. I feel like I'm just stabbing in the dark at this point. Yeah, like this one looks green, this one looks green, that one looks green. This one looks green. I feel like we're very so close. Everything looks green. Stab it in the blue. Yeah, there you go. I think the thing is, this blue is a very greenish blue. Like it's a cyan, but it is slightly more green than blue. Oh no, it's more blue than green. But as you make it more blacker, it's gonna be greenish. Yeah. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna buy this onesie because I know we're gonna do this at some point. So we want it by the fuck? Why is Prime delivery a week from now? Do I get it in large or medium? What size should I get? Halloween costume purchase? Perfect! Yeah, exactly. Dual purpose. Size chart. Okay, here we go. Small fit for height between 4'9" and 5'3". Medium for 5'3" to 5'7". Large for 5'7" to 5'10". Oh, so I'm like slightly between large and extra large. I think we're gonna go with large. And it'll be maybe a little bit tight. And what would you do if you were over 6'1"? You wouldn't be able to wear this. Oh my god. I didn't scroll down. Look at how funny these things are. Show off your show off your wild side. Well, these are getting risque. What the fuck? Oh, they have weight and size too. Oh. On this size chart, I would be right. I think I would be right here. But presumably I should lose weight, and I would still be here. So should I get XL? Fuck, I don't know. It looks like it's kind of a loose fit, so I think I'm probably just gonna go with large. And if it doesn't fit, I can return it. I get a new one. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Fuck it. Fuck it, chat. Stupid shit you guys convinced me to do. I assume it will shrink in the wash? That's a good point, Joey's Bites. The tighter the better. Oh no. Wait, somebody was actually talking about the math somewhere in here. What's your hue range, says Mr. Singh. H? H should always be constant. H will always be this. It will always be this number. Echo says, does this sudo apt update, sudo apt install Kali desktop xfce install the Kali environment in Ubuntu? I don't see that package, so presumably you have to set up a PPA to make that happen, but maybe. Maybe. Hue for blue should be between 240 and 300 degrees. Yeah, so this is 192. It's greenish. It's like cyan. Yeah, blue primary is at 240. Green primary is at 120, so it should be exactly between these two. And it is. Slightly towards the blue. So it's like it's right in this range. It's like this cyanish color. Latara says probably not much help here, but in design, manipulating the alpha transparency of colors is a common thing. Many times it gives a good result when the saturation of the colors are too much. Maybe I should just do alpha. Yeah. That's an idea. You're fucking genius. This actually looks really good. Is that all we needed, chat? Huh. I totally forgot about Alpha. Alpha's just like a cheesy shortcut for all of this. I still see all green. I mean, I see a lot of green, but yeah, I think our brains are a little bit broken. We could also probably pick a different... That is a risky Google search. I'm totally gonna get Pokemon porn. Like, we could pick a different blue and see what that does. I don't see any porn on the first couple pages. Is that gonna be a new NFT line? If somebody wants to run this and give me profit share, by all means. But I am not going to set up an NFT. Okay, so I'm gonna try and search from... Oh. I'm gonna try and pick this blue and see if this makes a better color. Maybe we want the bluer blue? I don't know. Let's try this blue first. I think that's the same exact hex that we have. 5, but yeah, it's a little bit different. Not by much though. Oh, actually that is a lot better. Are those less green? I feel like the intensity is not there though. Marcia says, wow, I don't even get loots when I search for shiny Umbreon. Let's see, how many scrolls do I need to get loots? Oh, there's one. Man, people have some real fucked up art. Why would you do this to a poor Pokemon? I'm obviously not going to show it on stream. Wait, if you send a color in chat, it changes your name? I don't think that works. Your color's still the same. You'd have to do /color. Just because I'm curious. What does this look like? That's definitely blue, but it's not the right blue. Let's try color picking again. We kind of got this color last time. What happens if we get this like brighter color up here? Ooh. Oh, we have green again. Shit. Let's try this image. This hurts my eyes. Yeah. I don't know why they're blushing. This makes me uncomfortable. Why do you have to be blushing? Yeah, that one's kind of nice. Did you for loop and generate a few hundred to pick from? Yeah. That's. I don't want to scroll through 100. I'm not going to be able to notice the differences between like tiny color changes. I think your color's still the same, details. 42B2DA, that's my chat color. Well, I can scroll up and see if your color changed. It still looks the same. Yeah, I think it's the same. Anything changed there? Do you want me to try your chat color? Might actually look pretty close. Back to green again. I'm going crazy. Yeah, we all are. All right, I think I mostly built what I want to build. And I can refine this later, but I'm gonna stick it on a branch and throw it on GitHub. We already want to do this anyway, so we're just gonna do that. Oh, look at this. Look at how nice that is. Linters for a templating language. Fucking so nice, right? You could project this on the wall and have it live update via points. Yeah, that's true. That is true. Marsh says, is this a better Docker file? Let's see. uh, I mean, yeah, I guess so. I don't know anything about this image. Or if this is necessary. It might not be necessary to have this. But yeah, seems fine. Hey, what's up, Stevo Bandito? Hello, hello. Change the wall color? Yeah, or you could like throw an image at it or something. I feel like somebody would figure out how to put dicks up there though. Doesn't have a command at the end, so I kept it. Pretty sure. Well, if it's based on Debian Bullseye, I think Debian Bullseye has a command, but not whatever. It's probably fine. It doesn't hurt. Do me next. What's your color, Grandpa's iPad? Give me your hex code. Us figure out how to make peen art on your wall art? Yeah. Or you would figure out how. But yeah, I'll do someone's color. It's just gonna shade this slightly. Like here's straight blue, or sorry, straight green. Oh god, that's wait. Wait. Why is this green? I think the math is fucked. I think I fucked the math. Zorchenheimer, thank you for the raid. Welcome to the stream, Raiders. Okay, I think the math is fucked. Because this should have been blue, not green. So... but anyway, my name is Anthony. I primarily work on Python stuff. I work on a bunch of different open source projects that you might have heard of, such as Flake8, PyTest, Talks, Precommit, PyFlakes, bunch of others, Dead Snakes. Anyway, I primarily work on Python projects on stream. Today we are generating art from files, and I'm trying to get some art so that I can generate something that I'm happy with, and I'm going to throw it up on the wall. That's the plan. Why is this fucked? RGB. Oh. Oh! Oh! I'm a fucking idiot. Oh! I know what's wrong, chat. Oh my god, it might have been fine all along. Wait, that's not right. Oh my fucking god. What was one of the goddamn colors we had? No more green, chat! Oh my god. Oh, I feel so stupid. Oh my god. So the problem was I was string formatting wrong. So for numbers between 0 and 15, it would fuck up the padding of this. So it was a padding issue all along. What else says what happened? I came here for the marvelous keyboard. I satisfied redeemed points, so we swapped for today. We have a slightly different keyboard at the moment. Got diff? Yeah, exactly. And it still is like kind of greenish, but it at least doesn't have skewed colors. So but welcome to the stream, pop stars. For a little less random pattern, you would have to give some weak and limited relation between a point and its neighbors. This is with alpha. Yeah, so the way this works is it pulls bytes out of a file and then uses those to compute the colors. Like this is what it typically looks like. Here's one of the dark mode ones, so it's not so blinding. Yeah, so this is what it typically looks like for a random binary file, which is actually interesting because you can view the different regions of the file. Like this is the strings region. ASCII text tends to have these dull muted colors. Yeah. Have you tried to use the get alias feature? I have a few aliases, but they're mostly for memes. I prefer to type things out by hand. So typos, typo, and get. Um, but yeah, I know I could use getco or whatever, but I'd rather just use vanilla stuff. That way, I spend a lot of time on other people's computers, so it makes sense for me to not train myself to use a bunch of special stuff. But yeah. Do you spend time on our computers? No, but Ackerman does. Yeah. But anyway, I think this is a fairly good stopping point. We kind of got it working. I'll probably tweak it a little bit more. But we fixed the bugs at least. But anyway, that's going to wrap us up for today. Let me do my little spiel, and then we'll send you off to another channel. My name is Anthony. You can check out my previous content at youtube.com/AnthonyWritesCode, where you can find educational videos that I try and upload 3 times a week, as well as previous streams. So check that out. I normally stream Monday evenings and Saturdays at noon. And I announce those in 2 places. One of those is twitter.com/codewithanthony, where you can get announcements there. The other is on the Discord, which you are free to join. There's a beginners channel if you want to ask questions. There's also a puzzles channel where I try and do periodic puzzles. The next one should be coming out next Monday, I think. I'm going to try and record my solution this weekend for next week. But yeah, anyway, thank you all for stopping by. Let's go find someone to raid.